स्कूल ऑफ सिम्बायोसिस शिरोडान सायकल रॅली घडोवन हाडली। 70 विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षकांनी हे रॅलीत वांटो घेवन ड्रग्सा आड घोषणा दिवन जागरूकताय घडोवन हाडली। ड्रग्साचो गैरवापर आणि बेकायदेशीर तस्करी आड आंतरराष्ट्रीय दिसा निमतान ही खासा कार्यावळ जाली। पळयात।
To be here today on the International Day Against Drug Abuse. This day is a crucial reminder that we all have a role to play in creating a healthy and drug-free future. Drugs, as we all know, are an illegal matter which some people drink, smoke, inject or eat for the mental as well as the physical effects that it leaves. I request all students to refrain themselves completely from the consumption of drugs before it destroys their health, future and takes away their lives. Don't even try to touch or come close to them. Drugs can even destroy a complete generation. So think wise and act smart. Shape your future which seems bright and full of achievements. The drugs that doctor prescribes to her patients must only be taken in order to combat a specific disease. I want to say that drug abuse should be an absolute no for all, and I sincerely hope that our students will never ever try to consume drugs, and I will stay away from its use. Remember that country needs you, as you are the future of our country. So let's pledge today to support each other, to be there for one another, and to choose a healthy and drug-free life.
I'm very happy that our school is taking an initiative in collaboration with Shiroda Village Panchayat, SIDA, Center for Youth Development Activities, supported by Persistent Foundation. A rally is organized on a very auspicious day, that is International Day Against Drug Abuse. The whole motto is to see that our students convey message to the village of Shiroda to fight against drug abuse, alcohol and smoking. My students along with my teachers are going to go for 10 kilometers relay, which will flag off from the hands of our respected PSI Sabansal from Ponda Police Station, along with the SIDA representative. We are going to take off the school rally from the school. We'll take road to the health center, to Vajem, to Karai, come back to the ferry point, then we'll go to Talpane, go to Sokre, come down to Askan, and then come via Shivnathi temple to the Shiroda Village Panchayat, where we will have the concluding ceremony, for which the respected Sarpanch is going to join us for the concluding ceremony. So I wish all my cyclists a very safe and comfortable cycle rally for 10 kilometers.
गोवा 365 खातीर कृष्णा नायक, मनीषा जाधव आणि सानिका नागवेकर।